Ganito po, ma'am. Sa mga bakod-bakod, actually, optional po yung bakod. Basta po ang roofing natin or concrete po yan. Like po sila dito sa kanila.
At yan yung camellia.
So, sandbox po yan. Medyo rough yung ating. So, this is a dressed-up unit, ma'am, ha?
Mm.
So, in-upgrade lang po lahat ng
Okay.
ano natin. Pero, although we also have model unit na yung turnover na talaga.
Okay. Bali yung eto, ano lang siya, plain yung
Plain
magiging
white
plain white.
and plain ceramic tiles.
Okay.
Dito computer generated, ma'am.
Totoo na to, this is it. Ayan.
So, for that, ano, ma'am?
Ito yung ceiling.
Ano to? Wall. Meron po yung pintuan. Wall is concrete. Dressed up lang po talaga to.
Okay. Ito yung CR niya sa baba. Pwede ka rin ata
So,
magpagawa.
ma'am, ito po yung ina-explain ko.
The new entrance down high
So,
Ito kayo
ito yung property
ito pwede
line.
yan.
And then, ganun po yung bakod natin. Para may harang po going to Linear Park.
Mm.
Pero yung harang na yan, merong gate. Meron tayong gate papuntang Linear Park.
Okay. Bale, ito provision for laundry.
Yan po yung provision for laundry.
Ayan.
May transfer box na.
Okay.
Time po ang floor area. Ma'am, pasok na po.
Masok tayo, mainit.
Ma'am, makikisi, ma'am.
Ayan. Ayan, reaction ni mother. Ayan ang reaction ni mother.
Mayaman ang mga katabi ko. Mayaman naman po. Mga high-end ang mga
At upstairs na.
So, ma'am, ito po, yung mga bintana natin, mga ganito po ang bintana. So, maliwanag po yan.
Hanggang
Matitigas
taas.
ang yan.
Correct.
Ayun.
Ito ang isang bedroom.
Yes, so, that's our master's bedroom.
Master's bedroom. And then, the CR. Connecting siya sa
Yung mga
labas.
walls natin are concrete. Unlike others are wood.
Tibay siya. And then, ito pa yung isang room. Oh.
The grandeur of a stylish home nestled in a master-planned lifestyle community with a
Cabinets are not included, ma'am.
Tapos,
Belfort
ayan yung masters.
members only country clubs
CR.
could find
And yung isa pang room.
country clubs in the metro.
Ayan, hindi kasama yung cabinets daw.
The country club membership that comes with every Belfort property is guaranteed to fill your weekend with activities that
Kaya
make
cabinets
you
mo
happy
din.
and make back money.
Masters.
Plus, a community retail plaza to satisfy all shopping.
Tingnan nga natin yung sumunod dito. Mamaya. Oo.